Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today I have another Happy Meal. I am so blessed, and I cannot thank you enough. It is so fun, and I say all the time, it's a hug, excuse me, it's a hug in a box. I was drinking coffee. I think I drank it too fast. This, it's so nice that people send you something, but it's not just what's inside. It's the thought, they purchased or made you something, they boxed it up and paid for shipment. It's a big deal, and I appreciate it very much. This one is from Ina, and her channel is The Dainty Seamstress. Let me just take a minute and tell you, the first time I saw her channel, I was like, oh, wow. She is a dainty seamstress. She makes itty-bitty things. She makes them beautifully, and there's usually, in fact, I'm trying to think if I've ever seen not, very frilly. It is amazing. To Marna and Darren from Ina Powell, The Dainty Seamstress. She also has the cutest little mini-me Blythe doll. Oh, it's tearing the envelope. Well, dang it. Sorry, Ina. Wishing you a heaping helping of heavenly blessings. How nice. An overflowing heart with God's amazing love. Happy Valentine's Day. I hope you enjoy the goodies. They are just as sweet as you. The package closed with travel tape is for Darren, and the package closed labeled Marna. Well, you get it. To Marna and Darren from Ina, thank you for all of your kindness and cheer that you both bring to all of us. You deserve more. Thank you for encouraging words and welcoming me with open arms into the Dolly community. Thank you, Darren, for all the 3D printed items I adore. I am very blessed to know you both and sharing my love for the dolls and sewing with you. God can pour on the blessings in astonishing ways. 2 Corinthians 9:8, the Message. Very nice card, yes. Ina shows that she is a child of God in every video. You know what? Let me double check. Oh, wow. Oh, my. This is very nice. And heavy. It's heavy. Like I said, it's not just what's inside. It is, they say it's a thought that counts. It really is, because it's a big thought, and the follow-through is incredible. All right, look at this. Hugs and kisses. Let me untie this. You know how, there we go. Oh, wow, there's a lot in here. There is a lot in here. And, I guess we have to split this. Texas pecan, praline, chewy. Oh. It's like you know us. Okay, it says that this one says Marna, and that one's for you. I'll open mine because I'm greedy. I'm very excited.
Why would that be greedy?
I have to apologize to Ina. This has sat and waited a while. We've been so busy around here. Oh my. Look at this. Look at this beautiful headband. Look at this dress. This is what I'm saying about Ina. Look how fancy everything she does is. Look at that. Oh gosh, that's gorgeous. We'll have to get a doll out and get it dressed. Oh, and there's more. I can't even believe there's more. Gorgeous. Just, it's just as you see in her videos. The workmanship, the craftsmanship is just gorgeous. Second to none. That's what I tell Beth Ramsden. Second to none. Oh my God. She sent me one of her little chocolate headbands. Not chocolate, but she makes all of this. The headband, the candies, the whole bit. Look at this on a ribbon. Oh my God, that's so beautiful. Cute and clever. Oh,
Makes my mouth water.
wait till you see this. Oh, I got the whole outfit. She has been making these little chocolate outfits, little, what do you call them? Confectionery outfits. Like she picks a confectionery and then she tries to, what would an outfit look like? Oh my God, oh, there's more here. Look at those little bloomers. These are for Blythe Dolls. Oh, wait, look at this. There's even fancy, sexy stockings. Look at the workmanship in there. Look at the layers involved in this. Oh my God. I have sewn with...
It's got a petticoat or something under too.
Does it? Oh, another layer. Look at that. Oh my. I have sewn, and I do sew, oh God, I can't think what it's called, netting. The heck is it called? It's not easy. That is so beautiful. And look, they're identical. Just gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. Oh my. Oh wait, I knew there was something else here. Oh my God, look at these. Oh, look at these. A box of chocolates. Oh, Ina. This is over the top. That is so cute. You have to go see her channel and subscribe to her. She is top notch, I'm telling you. Top notch, second to none. Darren, I'm going to come around and take the camera and you can open your gift.
I'm amazed just at the little tape here.
Isn't that cute?
Yeah. Makes me want to go someplace. I love those old steamer trunks, how they used to have the... I don't even know if that ever really existed in real life, but...
On the old movies?
Yeah, that had all the places that it had been to. I'm not sure what I want to tear the stamp of the paper. So
Beautifully wrapped.
It is.
Just beautifully wrapped.
Cool. It looks like that's a heck of a calendar.
Oh, how nice is that?
That's beautiful.
Remember when you used to have that one that you'd refill every year when you had the Page Stream in St. Louis? Mm-hmm. Very nice journal.
Very nice. Oh, that is boy, that is, I don't even know what that is. That is like the old
train station.
Yeah.
That is so cool. Very cool. It's like a ledger from train station.
Yeah.
There's something else in there.
Yeah. Not a thing. Look away.
How nice is that? That is really cute.
It is. Ticket
I
number
know.
2022.
This is so nice. Sorry, Darren, I didn't.
No, yeah.
Is there two of those? We don't have to share.
We don't have to share.
Oh,
Thank you.
Ina, thank you, thank you, thank you.
This is. I better get to filling it in. I was just sitting.
You needed a place.
Yeah, all of the things going on. We've got so much going on, and I'm starting to lose track of it. It's getting a little overwhelming.
And my calendar's full of doll stuff, so you can put your stuff.
And I never wear. You always have yours, so.
Yeah, I do.
I'm always tracking her down. Babe, what are we doing on the 10th? Thank you. Thank you very much, Ina. This is very thoughtful of you. Thanks for thinking of me. And have a great day.
Oh, my. Look at the... Oh, I should have gotten a blonde out. It would have showed this beautiful rose fabric headband better. But I got spring because I wanted her in the picture. Promise of spring. Spring is coming. Can't wait. Look at this second outfit. Oh, the craftsmanship in these is absolutely second to none. Absolutely stunning little outfit. Oh gosh, that headband, those socks, everything. Sleeves, just amazing. And did you get her little... Oh, I kicked her out of her stand a little bit. Her little bloomers. Oh, thank you, Ina, so much. I just can't tell you. I have to show this again. little box of chocolates made by Ina. She made that, handmade that, handcrafted. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Go by and check out Ina's channel called The Dainty Seamstress. Thank you so much. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.
Thank you, Ina.